A box plot is a 5-point summary of a data set. Let's look at the 5 points used. This end of the stalk is the minimum value in the data set. The beginning of the box is the lower quartile. There's a line that goes across the box at the median. This end of the box is the upper quartile, and the end of the stalk is the maximum value in the data set. Box plots are very useful, especially for comparing data sets. A couple of features which are readily apparent when we use a box plot are the length of the box, which note is the distance between the upper quartile and the lower quartile. The length of the box gives us the interquartile range. We also have the overall length between the ends of the stalks. The maximum value take away the minimum value is the range.